Hello, good day viewers. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this problem on this board. I have e to power 2x equals to e to power x plus 6. So now what are we going to do here? So now let me rearrange this equation to be in this form. E to power 2x then minus e to power x minus 6 equals to 0. So I try to send all of these at the right hand side to the left hand side. So now from the first term here, I can rewrite this one also to be e to power x. Then I take the 2 outside, e to power x minus 6 equals what? Equals 0. So now following. So now from here we can see that this equation now is quadratic equation in terms of e to power x. So therefore, what we are going to do here is that we are going to be solving this quadratically, that is factorizing this. So now how do we do it? So I can have this to be e to power x and e to power x here. I can say that when I multiply this e to power x multiplied by e to power x here, I'm going to be having e to power x squared. And also, if I try to multiply to find the factors of this last term, that is 6, so 3 then multiply by 2, you can see that this one is going to give me 6 also. So I try to do cross multiplication. Okay, so therefore from here, e to power x times 3, this is going to give me 3 to power ex and 3 e to power x, then also e to power x multiplied by 2, so this is going to be 2 e to power x. Therefore, what can I do to this result so that we have this at the middle, that is minus e to power x. So therefore, if I put minus here and I put plus here, you can see that this is going to give me minus e to power x, which is the same thing I have at the middle here. So therefore, since I put minus here, I'm going to put minus here. I put plus here, I'm going to put plus here. So therefore, I have this quadratic equation factorized as e to power x minus 3, okay, then e to power x plus 2, okay, then equals what? Equals 0. Are you following? So now the next thing we are going to do, so we are going to what? We are going to see that this is what? This is 0 form equation, okay. So therefore we have what? We have either e to power x minus 3 is equals to 0, or e to power x plus 2 is equals what? Is equals 0. So from here we can see that, let's say we want to take this one first, okay. So we can see that e to power s is going to be 3, okay, sending this minus 3 to the other side. Then from here we can try to introduce natural log to the both sides of this equation. So this is going to be ln e to power x equals to ln 3. So now from here, how do we get this x? So we try to what? If we try to what? We try to take this x back. We are going to be having x ln e to power x then equals to what? Equals to ln 3. So now from here, what are we going to have? We are going to have, okay, when we do that, so there won't be this x again. Sorry for that. I get it. Now we have x ln e equals to ln 3. Then from there, so the next thing we are going to do is that, you know that the base, when we are talking about the natural log, so the base is what? Is e, okay. So therefore automatically you are going to be having x multiplied by 1 then equals to what? Equals to ln 3. So therefore we have x to be equals to ln 3, okay. Then let's look at this. This is one of the solutions. Let's look at this second one here. So we can see that if we try to send 2 to the other side, this is going to give us e to power x equals to minus 2. So now by looking at this, you can see that e to power x can never be negative, okay. So when you have an exponential expression like this cannot give us a negative value. So therefore this one will be discarded, and we conclude that x equals to ln 3 is our main solution to the problem. So that is going to be the end of the class. You find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page, our YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Thank you. Bye.